I recently watched a video on YouTube. I'm not mentioning that channel because he's also a content creator and he's doing a great job. The topic was how to reinstall gaming services on Windows 11. And of course you can install these services on Windows 10.
In a tutorial, I will show you guys how to install gaming service on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow
as well. But it seems like I feel the content become a bit clickbait because those who don't understand might have clicked with the impressions that gaming services can improve performance. On the other hand, it's not the case at all. Let me show you why. Actually, these commands are not related to the gaming services as you might think. It's Xbox gaming services. Now an important point needs to be discussed here. Note, if you use Xbox and in case you delete Xbox services using third-party tools, you might not be able to properly connect to Xbox or even use Xbox, making it somewhat impossible for you. Don't worry, I'll also explain the reinstallation process, but if you are not a user of Xbox, even then the optimize operating system for gaming purpose remove unnecessary services that might drop your performance just because you don't need those services and they are taking up source and space on your PC as well. For more clarity, you can test these services by installing and uninstalling them and you will see the result. So first of all, we will reset the Microsoft Store because we are gonna install these services through Microsoft Store, but those services are kinda hidden, so we will go through PowerShell. So to do this, run the following command in the run dialog box. You can open the run box by clicking on the Windows icon, then type here run and open it, or just Windows plus R key to open the run dialog box. Now simply you need to type here wsreset.exe and hit enter. Now do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes and yeah, done. Now close this. After that, now run PowerShell as an administrator. So click on the Windows icon, type here PowerShell, right click on it, run as administrator. A pop-up will appear, just click on yes and that's it. Now in the PowerShell, there are two commands. First, we will make sure to remove the commands. Let's do it first. So all these commands are mentioned in the description. So just go there and copy these commands. The first command is for removing the gaming services. So this will make sure that you don't have now any gaming services. So apply the first command to make sure to remove these services properly. And if you want to reinstall, then apply the second command mentioned in the description. Follow the video to understand how the second command actually works. It's kind of complicated. So copy the second command for reinstallation. And then what you need to do here, just paste it here and see your Microsoft Store is now open. Gaming services. But if you notice the Xbox logo over here, just click on this and it will automatically reinstall in your PC. I hope you loved today's video and cleared up the misunderstanding between the actual gaming services. Actual gaming services are installed when you install a game. Anyways, see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.